All right, so today I'm working on a 2006 Chevy Silverado 2500. My problem is that after I fill up with gas, the vehicle starts hard. I only put like $25 in it this time, and it'll crank for 5 to 10 seconds. And it's even worse if I fill it up, it'll probably crank for 10 to 20 seconds. But I just put some gas in it, so I figured I would show you all what it's doing real quick. Didn't even start there. Crank for maybe 3 seconds there, but it kind of runs rough and then it smooths out. And if I fill it up, it's even worse. I'll have to give it some throttle for it to smooth out, but I think I have the fix. That being this deal right here, part number 911030. I'll put a link in the description if it'll allow me to. Start by taking off this cover. It's an 8mm. And there's a connector right there. Unplug that deal. Then it looks like there's a little clip right here. Get this little clip out. Try not to break it, it's pretty brittle. And then this hose will lift off there. And then that bolt back there that holds it in is also an 8mm. I have to save this little gray deal that came off the old one, put it on the new one. Mine didn't come with it, so I'm gonna put this on there, put a little lube on the O-ring, just some grease, get it back in the truck. Put this white clip in this hose before you push it on. And then push it down on there, it'll secure it. Plug your connector back in. Make sure that bolt's tight, obviously. See how she starts. Much better. All right, just filled it up. Let's see how she starts. Oh yeah, much better. The evap purge canister was the issue.